Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to my tutorial today. Today I have a 20-inch Jerry curl full lace frontal wig. As you can see, there's already baby hair. The curls are pretty tight. I actually went on ahead and dyed the knots to this frontal. I actually went on vacation. I just really threw it on.
Really loving this
I didn't really style it at all, but I did, get it wet. So I wanted you guys to see how it looks like if you're on a vacation or a vacation. I just want to give you guys that feel on how it looks.
Bio if y'all trying to be vacation ready or vacation ready and you want this kind of hair, click the link in the bio. You will not be disappointed. I love this curly hair. It gets wet, it poop backs up. Most of the time it stays curly like this. You will probably just have to worry about your front. I didn't want to do any baby hairs because I just wasn't in that type of mood. But get into my
Hey you guys, I am back from my vacation. I have had this wig in for almost a week and a half now. So I'm just going to spice it up some and bring it back to life. So I'm going to add some coconut conditioner to the hair. As you can see, I didn't use that much. I just used a handful. I'm going to rub it in between my hair on both sides. And then I'm going to add water. Water and conditioner is really good together. I normally like to put the conditioner on first and then either spray the water bottle on it or either just wet the hair. Okay, I wanted to switch it up some. So since I brought the hair back to life, add a little conditioner and water, I want to cut it into a blunt cut bob. So if you do not know how to do this at home, you just want to pick an angle. It could be your shoulders, it could be your chin. Just pick an angle that you will want to first start off the cut, and once you do that, just follow the rest. I wanted to show you how versatile you can be with this actual frontal wig. You can actually pin it up to the side, do a side part. You can do something in the middle if you wanted to do like a high ponytail. It's several different ways you can utilize this wig. So I highly suggest that you guys click that link in that bio. African Mall, I have some great texture of hair. Once again, I have had this wig in almost going on 2 weeks now, so I wanted a different look, so I actually cut it into this blunt cut bob, which I am feeling. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, click that link in that bio. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you guys later.